We're here on the beach in Jamaica. It's 1:30 in the afternoon, and look at this shit we're stuck in. This lady was nice enough to let us shelter here. Say hello, Sean.
Hello.
Yeah. Anyway, that's a nice lady there. They've got parasailing, premium parasailing water sports, 957-3928 or 383-2906 Negril, Jamaica, 20 years experience. And their website is premiumparasailingJamaica.com. And they're in Negril Beach. And if you can't find them, just call me at my number on the website there. All right, peace out. Good people. All right, see you later. Bye. There's more rain from Negril Beach.